Hello, my name is Charity Atwater, and I am from Decatur, Georgia, and I'm 41 years old. I'm looking for somebody to record me, put me in the studio, and this is a new sound, okay? And I just want to collab with some of my favorite artists. So get this to them. And everybody my favorite artists, okay? And it don't have to be gospel and Christian artists, because I would rather be on the other side. Yeah, kiddo, both sides, yeah. Collabing with those other artists, those rappers. Yeah, shout out both sides, yeah. Put me in the studio with the secular people. Hey! All right. This is a freestyle. Hallelujah. And it's going to come directly from the Spirit. I have not written anything. But here we go. Yeah, 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 da bo, shada da bo, see ya day, shake da ya ya bo, say da ya, yeah da bo, shake da ya ya bo, yeah. Yelabo, 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 labo, yelabo, yelabo. Shea, 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 Shadow, Yerobo, Shellerabo.